Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today's Halloween look was also inspired by food. This time, eggs, which can only mean Humpty Dumpty. Humpty cracked his head, but we can crack this look, so let's get started. First, moisturizer. I'm using the Armani Glow On Moisturizing Cream to brighten my skin tone. For primer, I'm using the Air Cotton Makeup Base in Mint from the Face Shop to tone down any redness. Use a flat foundation brush to apply to your face. I'm going to cover my eyebrows with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Using a concealer brush, grab a generous amount and start painting over your brows. Pack on the product as you go until your eyebrows are fully covered. Time for foundation. I'm using Dermablend's Body Makeup in Fair Nude, which is slightly lighter than my skin tone. Use a beauty blender to apply right up to the hairline and over your brows. Make sure to blend everything in. I'm going to set my brows before moving on to the next step. Using the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, pack the powder on top of your brows. I'm then using the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation. With a flat foundation brush, apply the product on your face and start blending from the middle out. Don't go right up to the hairline. Instead, apply the product in an oval shape to resemble an egg. Go back in with a small concealer brush to clean up the edges. Set your face with setting powder. Next, I'm using the Dolce & Gabbana Intense Kohl Crayon in True White to line my upper and bottom waterlines. Now for the cracks. I'm using the MAC eyeshadows in Typographic and Mystery and blending them along the outer edges of a few stencils. Blend the colors in with the fluffy brush using circular motions. Remove the stencils and use a clean, fluffy brush to further blend out the colors. Then, use a flat brush and black eyeshadow to define the edges. I'm using the shade Carbon from MAC. Finish drawing in the cracks with a black gel liner. I'm using Black Track from MAC. Use an angled brush for clean lines. With a clean flat brush, use the same gel liner and start filling in the cracks. Go back in with an angled brush and clean up the edges of the cracks. Next, I'm using the black Glossier brow flick to draw in the smaller cracks. There's no right or wrong way to draw these in, so have fun with them. I'm now drawing lines along the cracks with the Chanel Sculpting Veil in Notorious. This will create shadows along the cracks and help them look 3D. For lips, I'm brushing on the MAC eyeshadow in Kink to give them a white pearlescent look. Finally, I'm using the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter to highlight my face between the cracks. This will help the eggshell really pop. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!